Hey everybody, Brian with Lean by Doing. Today I'm back in my bolt pack area. Today I want to show you guys an area that we have made improvements in, and the spirit of continuous improvement, we need to involve it again. But I want to show you guys some of the things that we have changed here to get us to where we're at, to build that baseline, and then I'm going to show you guys the improvements that we want to make it even better. So let's go. Behind the table is all of our bulk bolts. In each one of these bin is a piece of hardware that we need to use to make these bolt packs. Now here is the first area that I want to make an improvement on. This is the first place that we had ever made Gemba docks active in our business. And here we built a true 2-bin system with inventory in the back bin and inventory in the front bin. One thing you're going to notice right away is we have a color difference. Now if I knew what we knew now, then I wouldn't have done this. And the reason that we did this was because the inventory needed didn't justify the large blue bin. So we used these smaller green bins to house the inventory, which isn't all that much. But one of the things that we know now is visual control and visual management is so important. So now when you look at this, you think, why are the bins green and why are the bins blue? There has to be a difference and a reason. Well, we don't really have a reason. So I want to get that fixed. The next issue is ergonomics. I'm 6'1", and I have to get on my tippy toes to reach these top bins. Now let's turn our attention over here. You're looking at hardware, so this is not necessarily bolts, but actually components. They could be a USB plug, or they could be a greaser, or a zip tie, or a cap. But this is where we keep all of that hardware. And as you're gonna notice here, it's a little clunky. We have this weird 2-bin system, but we're stacking the bin kind of on top of each other because this particular part is long. So what we need to do is build dividers that go down the middle to divide the inventory left and right, and then we can use one bin instead of having to stack the bins like that. You'll also notice that it's a little bit chaotic. This area has been a little bit neglected. We've made some improvements here, but we haven't made the big improvements that we're ready to make just yet. Now let's flip the camera around, and now we're looking at another hardware rack. This one, we have a lot of components in here that we actually buy in bulk length and cut. We have some discontinued inventory on the shelf. We have some stuff that's still not on Kanban. We have some things that probably shouldn't even be here. They should probably be packaged up and put into our warehouse for customer consumption. Now let's look at our table. Now this work area is a work in progress, but it is something that has been upgraded. Believe it or not, this is an upgrade to what we were using. The nice thing is we have this cool stack rack backboard with all of our stuff kind of in various areas. But what you'll notice is that it's bare steel. So it was a prototype. We have never coated it. So the first thing we need to do is tear this thing down and powder coat it. The next thing is the table's way too deep. You know, people can only reach so far from a standing location. I'm 6'1", once again, and reaching that is my full extension. So everything needs to be a little closer so that when someone's working in this space, they can easily reach stuff without having to lean forward over the table. Now we've upgraded from some binders to using a tablet, but as you can see, the tablet is just loosey-goosey sitting here. So I want to improve this. I want to actually install a computer monitor and a computer out here with a scanner that allows us to scan and open up the documents we need to open. As we're making every one of these bolt packs, we are hand writing the part number on every bag. So I want to build a system that will allow us to scan the barcode right on the back of the Kanban card that will then automatically print a label that we can put on the bag. One change we have made that's been wildly beneficial was actually moving all these bolt pack racks closer to this bolt pack area, so there's not a lot of wasted motion when they have to put the inventory away. Previously, they would have to walk from here all the way over there beyond those racks to put away the bolt packs. So now I'm going to get busy and actually make a plan to improve this area. I'm sure there's places in your factory that look like this and could use improvements. So why don't you go out onto your shop floor today, look around, find a place for improvement, and remove burden from your employees. I will check back in with you guys when I'm done with the project. See ya.